Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video I just created this update and delete student part of my hostel management system project. If you are not seen my previous video, just go to description and check out the link. In this video I am going to create a new JFrame for this student fees part. So let's start. Let me close this application and let me create a new JFrame for that. JFrame form student fees. Okay, clicking on finish, you can see form has been created. Now increasing the size of this form is to 700 and 500. Okay, after that we just need to go to the properties of this form and we just need to remove min max close button. So I'm just clicking on here, and after that we also need to set the location where this form will be open. Okay, so I'm just setting x-axis as 480 and the location for the y-axis I'm setting is 150. Okay, and let me close this. Let me save it. After that, here we need a table. Okay, so first let me place it here table and let me decrease the size of this table. Okay, and let me place it below. After that, here we need a button, so let me place it here. This button is used to close this form. So here I'm just selecting the image, close all JFrame PNG image, and let me edit this text. Let me remove this, and here we are going to place it here. After that, we need here labels, label 1. Okay, label 1, this one is for the mobile number. Okay, one by one we are going to insert here labels, 6 labels, 2, 3, 4, 5, let me make little bit down, and 6. Okay, after that let me one by one edit this text. After mobile number, the next is name, and after name, email, and after email address, the next is our room number. Okay, and after room number we just need to display month, which month we are paying the rent, you can say, or fees, amount to be paid. Okay, pay. After that, for these we need fields, so let me one by one place here fields. 1, okay, text field, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last field is 6. Okay, and so let me also increase the size of this fields. So let me select this all and let me go to the properties of this. Okay, and making it as bold 14. Okay, just close this. After that, just need to increase the size a little bit. Okay, the first one we are making it as 150, and for the others we are increasing the sizes to, okay, let it make it at 350 also. No, make it at 349, not a problem. Let me increase the size of this one also. Okay, one by one increasing the size of this fields. And we also need a button to search user, so for that we are inserting here a button, and let me go to the properties and make it as bold 14 first. After that we need to insert a PNG image, search PNG image, search. Okay, and need to close, and let me read this text and let me make it as search. Okay, after that we just need to delete the text from these fields, so let me one by one remove this all. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me delete this. After that, here we need two buttons. So let me place it. The first is for the save, you can say, and another button is for clear. So let me make it as bold 14. Let me make it as bold 14. Okay, just close this. After that, we are inserting an icon, and this one is I'm using save PNG image for that, and for this I'm using clear PNG image, clear PNG image for that. And let me read this text and let me make it as save. Okay, and this one is for the clear, you can see. And after that, we just need to place the table here. So let me increase the size of this table to the max of this, almost max 2 of this form. And let me also increase the size a little bit down. You can see. Let me check out the size of this form, 750, perfect. And now we need to do is we need to set the layout of this form to absolute layout so that we can insert image in the background of this form. So let me place it here. Let me go to the properties, and we just need to select that image. So the image is page background image. Okay, so let me perfectly place it on this form. Let me double click on this. You can see here the label name, just delete it and save it. Now we just need to connect this form with our home page. So for that, we are moving again to home page, and here just need to double click on this student fees. We'll move to the action of that button, and we just need to copy this part of the code in our newly generated button event. Okay, after that we just need to set new student fees dot set visible true. Okay, so we are connected with our home page. So let me run it and let me show you. Okay, let me go for the click student fees. You can see it's working, and you can see successfully created the front end part. So let me close this application. And now we have to write the codes for the backend. So first we are going to write the codes for this button to close this form. So I'm just writing set visible true. Okay, oh sorry, set visible false. And after that we just need to create a table here. So we just move to our database, and our database name is Hostel. We already created this database Hostel. In this we just need to create a table, create table, and we renaming it as fees. And in this we having three fields. First is mobile number, varchar I'm just taking here, and for that I'm just taking 10. And the next is month we are also taking varchar here, and we are making it as 50. And the amount we are taking varchar, and we are also setting it to 50. Okay, let me create this table. Let me show the description of this table, fees. Okay, you can see mobile number, month, amount, you can see here. And after that we just need to move to the design section, and just need to go to the event of this search. Okay, before writing this, first we need to create two methods. So let me move little bit up, and one more thing, we just need to import our package and sql java.sql asterisk. Okay, after that we also need to import project package with connection provider class, and here we just need to create a method public void clear. I'm just creating a clear method here. Okay, in this we just need to write first text field set editable, we are making it as true. Okay, and after that we just need to text field one dot set text, and double quotes, we are not writing anything. And we just need to do for all the 6 fields we have 2 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let me change it one by one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, after that we also need to remove all the details when the clear method will be called from the we also need to remove all the details from the table. So for that I'm using default table model, this one, and here I'm just creating DTM equals to default table model, you can say this one, and J table 1, we are just taking table 1 dot get model. Okay, this one we just need to select. After that, DTM dot set raw count is equals is 0. You can see from this line of code all the details of our table get be removed. So that's why we are writing this part of the code. After that, we just need to create one more method. That one is for the display the details in our table. So let me write here the method name. We are taking it as table details. Okay, I'm just writing here, and in this we just need to create the connection. Let me make a little bit up, and here first we are copying this part of the code as it is. First we will remove all the details. After that, we just need to write a string mobile number is equals to j text field. We are taking the mobile number from text field 1 dot get text, and after that we are creating try catch connection. Okay, so let me catch exception. Okay, and in the try block we just need to write connection con equals to connection provider, this one, dot get con. After that we have to create a statement st equals to con dot create statement, and we are using result set here to display the details. rs equals to st dot execute query, this one, and double quotes we just need to write the query. So here I'm just writing select star from piece. We already created this table right now, and mobile number is equals to, okay, j text field, you can say mobile number 1, this one. Okay, when both are equal, then it will display all the payment history of that mobile number. So rs dot next, this one, and in this we just need to dtm dot add raw, this one, we just need to do new object. Okay, and here we just need to write rs dot get string. We just need to write in this 2, we need to display for the 2, and rs dot get string, and we just need to display third column. You can see we just need to display month and amount. That's why we're using second and third column. Okay, and any exception will be generated. For in that case we just need to display here. So j option pan dot show message null. Okay, and after that we just need to go for the search. We already generated this event, and in this first we need to take the mobile number. So I'm just writing a string mobile number is equals to j text field 1 dot get text, and after that we just need to get the date, today's month date. We just need to take month. That's why I'm using simple date format. I'm just using this. After that, d format equals to new simple date format. Okay, and in this double quotes we are just writing MMM capital and triple Y after that. And after that we just need to creating a date date equals to new date, and we also need to import a package, java util package. So let me check it out. So import java.util.date. Okay, this one we just need to import. After that again we are moving to the search button. Okay, and in this we just need to take the, we are inserting this value in our a variable string month, you can say month equals to dformat dot format. Okay, format this one, and in this we are passing the date. Okay, by this we, in the month we stored the today's month, it means that this month. Okay, after that we just need to create try catch block. In this we just need to search for that person. Okay, exception E. Okay, in the try block we just need to write create a connection con equals to connection provider class dot get con statement st equals to con dot create statement result set rs equals to st dot execute query, and in double quotes we just need to write the query, and the query is we just need to select that student who are living in our hostel. So select star from student where mobile number is equals to double quotes. In this we just need to write the mobile number. Okay, and one more condition, the status is equals to, we just need to write here living. Okay, it means that the living student are only eligible to for the payment, you can say, for any month. That's why we are writing that. Okay, and if rs dot first is exist, in that case this part of the code will be executed. So let me make it a little bit down. Okay, and in this j text field 1 we are making it as editable false, so that we cannot edit this after searching any one. J text field 2 we are searching for it and set text, and let me double quotes, oh sorry, we just need to display data. So get string, and we just need to search select DESC for the student. Okay, and we just need to display the name in the field 2, I guess, yeah, name, you can see. So here we just need to write this one 2. Okay, same, so I'm just writing 2. After that j text field 3 set text and rs dot get string, I guess, yeah, get string. In this we just need to write 5. Let me go for this email address, we just need to see, and this one is 1 2 3 4 5 email address, this one is a 5th number, that's why we are writing here 5. In the same way we just need to copy this and paste it to 1 2 and 3 times. Okay, let me change it to 3 4 5 and 6. And the 4 we just need to display the data for of the 9th column, and for the 5 we just need to display, we don't need to display from this database today's you can say date, we just month we just need to display here with year, and we also need to the amount that should be paid by the user we need to display. So I'm just writing here 6,000 rupees for that month. Okay, after that if condition, there is a maybe possibility that the user is not exist, so in that case we just need to show a message. So I'm just writing here option pan message dot show message dialog. This one is null, and here I'm just writing student does not exist. Okay, and we also need to call a clear method. I'm just calling this. After this, we just need to call a table method to display all the payment detail of this student. That's why we are calling the table method here. After this, one more thing we just need to do is we also need to display that this student is paid for this month or not. So for that, we also need to write the code here. So result set rs1, I'm just taking st dot execute query, and here we just need to write little bit big query, so not need to worry about that. Select star from fees inner join student where student dot status is equals to living. Okay, after that we just need to and fees dot month is equals to single quotes and double quotes. We just need to write the month, this one month, and let me move little bit right, and after that and fees dot mobile number is equals to single quotes double quotes, and we just need to insert for the mobile number, and in the fees the mobile number should be same, and in the student dot mobile number is also need to be same. Okay, number, and let me move little bit right, and let me show you all the query. Let me make a enter here so that you can see all the query in once. Okay, you can see this one is query. We just need to delete this part and this part. Okay, let me make it again this one, and let me make it little bit right. You can see this query we just need to write. After this query we just need to write here, let me go for the next line here, and in this we just need to write if rs1 dot first is exist. It means that already in our fees table, it means that the payment is already done for that student. So j button 2 dot set visible, you just need to make it as a false. We are hiding okay, let me check out the button. Okay, this button is, I guess the button is 3. Okay, we just need to change the button name here, so let me make it as 3. After that we also need to display an option j option pan dot show message null, and here we just need to display fees is already paid by student for this month. Okay, and after that if any exception generated, in that case we just need to write here j option pan dot show message null. Okay, and you can see search part is also completed. Now we have to write the codes for the save, so just need to double click on this, and after that we just need to move little bit up, and here we just need to write string mobile number. We are taking it from okay, mobile number is equals to j text field 1. We are taking it from text field 1 dot get text. Okay, after that the next is a string month equals to j text field. We are taking it from fifth field, and after that we are getting get text. Okay, After text, we just need to take a string amount which need to pay for it, amount, okay, equals to j text field, and we are taking it from 6 field dot get text. And after that we just need to write try catch, and we just need to insert, okay, exception. After that, in try catch option, we are just creating the connection con equals to connection provider dot get con, and after that creating a preparing statement ps equals to con dot prepared statement. Let me select this, and double quotes, we just need to write the query. So insert into piece values, and in just we need to write question mark 3 question mark, okay, we just need to insert 3, okay, and after that ps dot set string, we just need to write 1, and the first is mobile number, this one. Let me copy this 2 times, sorry, let me copy this 2 times, paste it 2 time, okay, let me change it to 2 3. After that we also need to change the name, so I'm just writing amount, and after amount we just the next is for the month, and the last one is for the amount, okay. And after this we just need to write ps dot execute update, we just need to write, and after that table, we just need to write table method, and after table method we just need to display j option pan dot show message, and I'm just writing null, and successfully fully updated, okay. And after that we just need to clear all the details from their particular field, so I just need to call a clear method here, and any error occur, in that case we just need to also need to display that j option pan dot show message null, okay. And one more line of the code we just need to write here, just double click on this, and we also make it as a clear, and let me call the clear method this one. And one more thing we just forget in our frontend part, that we did not change the this table content, so just need to right click on this, move to the table content, and moving to the column here we just need to decrease it to 2. After that we just need to delete this, and let me make it as month, okay, and in this we just need to delete this and amount, okay, and let me click on close. You can see it get changes. Now you can see our front end and back end part of this student fee is also completed. So let me run this. Right now we don't have any student, so first let me insert a new student. Now let me move it to student fees, and here we just need to write 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1, okay. Let me go for the search. Okay, syntax error in the mobile number. Okay, we are facing any error here, we just need to solve it here, okay. In search we did a mistake here in the query, we just need to move it here, and in this we just need not written here and, we just need to write here and, okay. You can see the queries all same, other same, you can see. So let me run it again, let me show you it's working or not. Let me go for the search. Okay, the color is also get changes of this button, we are also facing that error, not a problem. We just need to change the button color also, and you can see all the errors get resolved. Now we just want to, for the payment we just need to click on save. Let me click on save. successfully updated. Let me click on OK. You can see all the details get removed. So let me search it again, 234567891, and let me go for search. Okay, and you can see a pop-up message, fees is already paid by the student for this month. And here you can see also the button, when we click on OK, you can see a button of save button is also get removed from this form. And just make it as clear, and let me go for search it again. Let me make it as a search, want to search for user who does not exist. So let me go for the search. You can see student does not exist. Let me clicking on OK. Let me close this. And we just need to resolve one more error. Let me go for it. And here we just need to change the button name from here. So let me make it as 4 and 4. And so let me run it again. Let me show you that it's working or not. Let me click on a student fees. You can see the color of this button is get changes, and form will be open for this button. Okay. So this is all about my student fees part of my hostel management system project. And in the next video, I'm going to create all student living part of my this project. So stay tuned with us. Please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.